91वीं कॉमन ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के तहत 27वीं कमांड कोर्स के 18 रुकनी ज़ेर तरबियत अफसरान ने सिंध पुलिस म्यूजियम गार्डन हेडक्वार्टर्स जुनूबी का दौरा किया।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel Ahmed Javed. I am the course commander of 51st CTP 27th Initial Command Course, which is undertaking its training at the National Police Academy, Islamabad.
वफ्द की सरबराही कोर्स कमांडर एसपी ने की। वफ्द की सिंध पुलिस म्यूजियम आमद पर डीआईजी टीएनटी शर्जील खरल और इंचार्ज म्यूजियम ने उनका खुश आमदीदम इस्तकबाल किया। सिंध पुलिस म्यूजियम में कायम ऑडिटोरियम में डीआईजी टीएनटी ने वफ्द को सिंध पुलिस की तारीख पर मबनी दस्तावेजी फिल्म दिखाई और पेश करदा तफसीली इस्तकबालिये में सिंध पुलिस म्यूजियम के जुमला अमूर व इक़दामात का अहाता किया।
Today, 18 officers, including 8 female officers, visited the Sindh Police Museum. The officers were inspired by the rich historical heritage and the traditions that were stored here. This repository is a beacon of light for the police units to replicate. Today, we visited the uniform sections, where we saw uniforms that were worn by officers in 1860, 70, and then subsequently we traced the whole evolution of this journey till today. We also saw the weapons that were being used by the policemen in the olden times. Overall, it was a very, very informative and educational experience for the under-training ASPs, and we hope and we wish and we pray that such institutions are not only nurtured but also are replicated and developed by other police formations and units. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Viri Raballo. I'm the senior ASP of the 51st STP and 27th ICC. Today we have come for a country study tour to the Sindh Police Museum, and it has been an enlightening experience. We watched a documentary on the history of Sindh Police, and then we saw some relics, artifacts, photographs, documents on the history of Sindh Police, and it has been enlightening. We got to learn a lot. It's actually my hometown as well. I belong to Sindh, so it has been good to see everything and to learn about my institution and my organization and its past history. It has been informative, and I believe that the tradition of continuing and preserving history is very important, and it should be continued in all of the provinces as well. So I'm grateful to the administration for everything that they have done, for welcoming us so well. Thank you so much.
डीआईजी टीएनटी बाद अज़ा तरबियती वफ्द पर मुश्तमिल अफसरान को सिंध पुलिस म्यूजियम के मुख्तलिफ शोबा-ए-जात लेकर गए और उन्हें सिंध पुलिस की तारीख, अब तक के इंस्पेक्टर जनरल्स ऑफ पुलिस सिंध, शोहदाए पुलिस की तस्वीर पर मुश्तमिल गैलरी, नायाब कुतुब, कदीमी हथियारों समेत पुलिस यूनिफॉर्म्स और दीगर दस्तियाब अशिया का मुआयना कराया और इस हवाले से मुख्तसर ब्रीफिंग दी। तरबियती वफद के साथ ग्रुप फोटो सेशन हुआ और उन्हें इंतहाई इज्जत और एहतराम के साथ रुखसत किया गया।